So, I have heard people say, CapCut is so hard. I don't know how to use CapCut. I've tried the interfaces, the features are confusing. I don't know how to add elements. I don't know how to. Relax, don't shout. Relax, I'm here to help you. So, I'm going to be carrying us through step by step process on how to use CapCut, how to edit a simple video using CapCut. Please, after this video, I don't want to hear that. Oh, CapCut is hard. I don't want to hear that anyway. I don't want to hear it. I'm very serious. So please, make sure you watch this video to the end. I don't want to remind you. And please, as you are watching, don't forget that you need to like, you need to share, and you need to subscribe. Don't be a gatekeeper. Page looks like you just to click on new project and it will bring you here, and click on the video you want to edit. It will bring you here, so you can see split, speed, animations, anything you want to add. You click and you add. If it's effects, you can change the color, you can adjust. If it's caption, if it's the aspect ratio, means what platform are you editing for? Is it Canva? Is it CapCut? What am I saying? What platform are you editing for? Sorry. Is it TikTok? Is it Instagram? Is it YouTube? YouTube, you pick 16.9. I think Facebook and TikTok is 9.16 or so. Just depending, you will see the icon on it. If it's for TikTok, it will give you a TikTok icon. If it's for YouTube, it will give you a YouTube icon. And it's for IG, it will give you an IG icon. There you can pick the platform you're editing for. Why is it like that? So that you are able to, so that whatever you're editing will be able to fit into the screen of those platforms. So that when someone is watching, there are no sides that are dark and blank. You understand? All these ones are where you can add elements, whatever it is you want to add. All those features down there are the features you need. Do you understand? If you want to increase volume, you go to volume. If it's text, you add text. Here now we are trying to generate caption. Right? Like the things I said in the video, I want it to be writing while I'm talking. So that's what generating captions mean. So wait for it. Once it loads to 100, yeah, you can see it has put 4, telling me to delete 4 clips. The 4 clips are filler words. Filler words are words like like that. Those are filler words. So it's telling me to delete those words, which I have deleted. So this is what the final video is. So if I want to add any sticker, if I want to add any text, I cannot add audio because I am talking in the video. If I add any audio now, it's going to interrupt what I am saying. Like you're going to be hearing two sound. But if there's no audio, if it's just a video and you want to add a voice, you click on text to audio. It will give you somewhere to type like this. You type whatever text you want to add. Once you type, you'll be able to pick the voice you want. And the voice, these AI voices will generate an audio for you. Then you can attach the audio. You see this audio, you click on it and you attach the audio. Click on this plus sign and attach the audio. Once you attach, you will be able to, whatever it is that you wrote there, once the video is playing, the audio will be talking. Like, so it will just be like same video. I don't know if you understand me. This is the aspect ratio I was talking about for different platforms. You can see the original, you can see TikTok, you can see IG, you can see YouTube, you can see YouTube Shorts. Like, these are different platforms. So just pick depending on what platform you are editing for. Then you can add filter too. Yeah, different filters depending on how bright or how dark or the color you want. Basically, it's the color you want. You pick based on how colorful you want it to be. And yeah, these are still colors. Landscape, whatever. Just, and the thing with color is you pay attention to it. You see this video, I'm trying to edit. I'm not editing it, but it's the blue light that is making my face dark. I filmed it very close to a blue light, right? And that is why you see that my face is dark. However, I can brighten it up if I want. So all those lighting features and the rest of them, those are just, you should be able to use it to add light. Just brightness, whatever it is you want in your video, and however it is you want it to appear, you play with the light and get what you want. That's why most of the features are there. Then here is saying normal, curve, velocity. All those are just features. I think the important one you need is to be able to generate caption, edit for the platform you want, add element, or add what do they call it? Add stickers. Those stickers, if you want to add any sticker while editing. For beginners, those saying I want to create simple content, I want to be able to edit CapCut with a simple content, or those are the things you need. Be able to, the lighting is very important because it's going to affect your audio quality. Then you can use the noise. There's noise cancellation tool here. You can increase the volume. Just anything you want. Just make sure to get a clear video. But whatever it is you are doing, I think generating captions, how to put clips together. You see that plus icon. If there's any other clip you want to add, click on the plus icon and it give you the option to add. You'll be able to add from your gallery. And if you want to record, I don't think I got that. If you want to add an audio rather, you just click on this arrow that's showing forward, these two arrows here, the first two arrow there. You click, it will give you the option to edit. Click on that edit and then click on the edit. Once you click on the edit, you'll be able to add it will give you the option for audio. There you can click on audio and you'll be able to record and add a voice, just like I am doing now. This is a video I have screen recorded on its own, but then I am recording while I am editing. I am recording my voice alongside the video because I want them to be together. So it will give you that options. I hope you understand. You understand what I'm saying. Here I am trying to edit. Sometimes when you say some things and you generate caption, the caption is not always correct. The AI gives you caption based on what it understands. So sometimes those words might not be really what you said in the video. So you just pay attention, read the captions line by line to see that what the AI tool gave you is what you actually said. If it's not, you click on it and you edit it, just like I just did. It's really very simple. I think that's all for this video. And here we are adding overlay. If you click on new project and you add your overlay, it's going to take you to photos, because overlay, you are changing the background, you're adding another background to your video you're editing. So make sure you have the background you're adding on your phone. If you click on overlay, click on add overlay. So here we are adding overlay. You can just make sure you have the image you are going to be uploading. Just go to your gallery, pick it and upload it first. Then after then, you go down, you click on overlay, click on the plus button, you see add audio, click on the add audio and upload the video you are going to be editing. The overlay will be the background, while the video will be on the background, just like it is showing here. So once you do this, once you upload it, just click on all those features, scroll, click on remove BG, and once you search all those features down there, just scroll, you see remove BG, click on remove BG, and that is it. You've removed the overlay. Now the picture, let's say the audio is actually very long and then the image you upload is just one. You can tap and hold on the image, then drag. It will duplicate for as many times as you want it. Just drag it to the length you want and it will give you the length exact. You can drag it to the exact length of the audio. You get, in the case of overlay, the video you have shot will serve as the audio. Well, the overlay will be, that means you are bringing in when you are uploading a new project, what you are bringing in first is the photo that you want to use as your background. Overlay is changing background. So you are laying over the image before the audio.